Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
From Museo Camera to the Quorum to the Heritage Transport Museum, Gurgaon now has 3 distinct cultural offerings, and it's no longer simply the place to come and buy cheap alcohol or to just party. Heritage Transport Museum, which is India's first interdisciplinary transport museum. अगर आप यहाँ आते हो, तो you'll find everything related to transport, from the wheel to the steam engine to boats to vintage cars to the Phatphati. We'll know more about this museum and how it was started and everything related to it in this video.
It's a very long story, goes back to 70s when I was studying history, and 1980 I became a photographer, self-taught photographer, traveled very extensively on assignments which took me all over the world and all over the country. And one thing which really fascinated me was the idea of museums.
Known for being a party hub, Gurgaon now has come up with 3 avenues in the past couple of years: the Quorum, Museo Camera, and Heritage Transport Museum.
We've been able to create one of the most unique museums in Southeast Asia. We are one of the biggest museums of its kind in Southeast Asia, which displays all these things. We have art galleries, we have workshop rooms, we have dark rooms where we teach historical processes. So there are corners where there are things like this little iPod installation. So when you're reading about Vivian Maier and you say, oh wow, and what kind of images did she create? So there is a little thingy to engage with, which you can see. So similarly, there are many points of interaction. There is this studio, 19th century studio. This is how photography was done in 19th century.
How do you think social media has contributed, or has it in a way, how has it changed the dynamics of photography now? Because today, you just said, everybody with a phone,
is a storyteller.
A photographer and a storyteller, yes.
Okay, so mobile and digital has democratized the art of photography. It is not confined to rich, where the cameras are in lakhs. So in thousands, you can be empowered to create something, and also at the touch of a button, share it. Now that gives you a fantastic audience. So how photography was for the elite, for the rich, and today mobile is taking and this digital technology has taken it in another direction.
So you would say it's a positive thing to have happened?
Absolutely.
Has been contributing to the cultural space here, and right now I'm in conversation with Anushka, who is head of marketing and communication at the Quorum. So Anushka, can you just tell us more about generally the Quorum? If you had to tell us exactly in one sentence, how would you define this place?
The Quorum was designed with a global sensibility for the Indian who's very curious and is interested in knowing more about culture, and we do that through programming, through our content and collaborations. And we provide those experiences for the global Indian.
Vivek Narayan, founder and CEO of the Quorum, shared how it was designed keeping consumer habits in mind and as a space for collaboration and platform for showcasing homegrown brands. Tarun Thakral, a hotelier by profession and a man behind Heritage Transport Museum Gurgaon, shared how he went all over India to small cities to collect scrap and turn them into some spectacular cars that are now in the museum. Thakral, like Aditya, shares the idea that museums in India need to be more experiential and evoke curiosity among its visitors.
This is Tina Das for The Print with Sukriti Vats.